Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We'll be reviewing the Kobalt 15-in-1 multi-tool. As you can see, it's full metal construction, pretty robust, pretty heavy. Let's have a look what we got. So first we've got a pair of pliers with wire cutters. Let's see what else we've got here. We've got a saw. Not a bad little saw. We've got a screwdriver. Not sure what that does. If you know what that does, let us know down in the comments below. We have a, looks like something to pry stuff with. Maybe open lids and a bottle opener. We have a file, double-sided, pretty good. So on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items. And on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. First up is a knife. Pretty good. Next up is I think that might be to open cans without a can opener. If you know what that one is, let me know in the comments down below. Pretty sure it's a can opener. These little nodules. This looks like a flathead. Screwdriver. It's a bigger flathead screwdriver. You could also use it for prying stuff. And what else do we have? We have another saw, so you've got 2 saws. That saw. Be very careful, they're very sharp. Same with the knife. You have this saw and this saw. There you have it, guys. The Kobalt 15-in-1 multi-tool. I must say it's really feels like good quality. Solid metal. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.